Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Samsung Tab S8 Ultra case under $50 you can buy Amazon. The Samsung Tab S8 Ultra is a tablet that offers premium features and performance in an ultra-slim, lightweight design. It features a 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display with 4 speakers tuned by AKG and Dolby Atmos for an immersive sound experience. The Samsung Tab S8 Ultra is a tablet that is designed to replace your laptop. It features a large display and a powerful processor, along with the latest version of Android. The Samsung Tab S8 Ultra is a tablet that offers its users a lot of features. It has a large 14.6-inch display, which is perfect for watching movies or playing games. The Galaxy Tab S8 also has a powerful octa-core processor, so it can handle anything you throw at it. If you have the Samsung Tab S8, you will want to get a case for it to protect your investment. The best way to do this is to buy a case that offers protection without adding too much bulk or weight. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 is a tablet that has been designed to be as close to a laptop computer as possible. It has an 14-inch display and is powered by Android 9.0, which makes it possible for you to work on it just like you would on a laptop. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want the benefits of a tablet but are not happy with the limitations that come with smaller screens. There are many cases available for this device, many of which offer different levels of protection from bumps and drops. The type of case you need will depend on how you plan to use your tablet, what your budget is, and how much protection you require from the case. This video will help you find the right case for your Samsung Tab S8 Ultra and protect your tablet from scratches, impacts, and other damages. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research in new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. ipro. If you're looking for a nice case to protect your tablet, then this is the case for you. The ipro accessories case is made from high-quality, non-toxic material to provide long-lasting protection for your tablet. Its 360-degree rotating stand and auto sleep and wake features make it easier to use your tablet with ease. Additionally, it has corner cushioning protection that will help to keep your tablet in good condition. Cut the cord, ditch the worries, and take your tablet anywhere with the ipro accessories case. Forget about having a bulky tablet case or worrying about dropping your expensive device. This case is designed to protect your Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra tablet while you're on the go. It's lightweight, so there's no added weight or bulk to your tablet, and it doubles as an adjustable stand for easy viewing. If you take pride in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra and want to keep it new, then you should get this case. With this case, you'll never have to worry about it getting scratched again because the screen will always be protected. The design is perfect as well as the quality. This plain solid color design case cover is made from the premium quality pool leather and fabrics materials, and it is easy to fit and remove to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Number 4. Belay. This Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra cover case is made from pool leather. The case does not only provide a good protection for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, but also has a built-in magnetic strip to act as a stand and keep your tablet steady in any position. Belay is a stylish and convenient tablet case that has been designed to accommodate the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. The cover is designed to be used as a stand and can easily be folded back when not in use. It is engineered to withstand wear and tear with its durable exterior and soft interior. Belay's tablet case for Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is a unique, complete, and protective sleeve case. With this, you can keep your tablet safe while enjoying the advantages of a built-in stand. The cover case is compatible with Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 14.6-inch tablet. It also features auto-wake sleep function to make your life easier. Stable stand function support with 2 angles of use allows to easily alternate between different occasions. Perfect for writing and watching. Made of high-quality synthetic leather. Premium synthesized leather exterior and soft interior to prevent scratches. 100% brand new lightweight, ultra slim, unique decent design. Number 3. Moco. You deserve a quality laptop sleeve that is both functional and stylish. Our design team crafted this case to be protective, yet also give your device a modern, elegant look. Your expensive laptop deserves the best protection and we've got you covered. This case is designed to fit any 14.6 device and made out of a durable felt material to ensure protection for your device. And, best of all, it has 2 pockets for all your other devices. Moco laptop sleeve is designed to fit both 13.5 and 14.6-inch laptops that are up to 1.75 inches in thickness, and it also fits Surface 3, Surface Pro 3 or Surface Book. Sleek, lightweight, and made from an ultra-soft felt material, this laptop sleeve case is the perfect protective carrier for your laptop. The soft textured lining protects your devices from scuffs and scratches, while the slim profile makes it easy to carry in any bag or backpack. With 2 front pockets and 1 back pocket for storing accessories, you'll be able to take all of your travel essentials with you wherever you go. 1 main compartment for laptop and 2nd compartment for magazines, books, tablet, etc. 2 back pockets lined with flannel for cell phone, earphones, wallet, keys, etc. Number 2. Samsung. This Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra case is specially designed to fit your device while offering maximum protection. It helps protect your phone from shocks, drops, and bumps. The smooth PU leather exterior makes it comfortable to hold, and its magnetic closure keeps the case securely closed. It also features card holder on the interior for you to store cards, cash and more. Are you in a long-time search for the best and luxury design case for your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra? Here we are, your best choice. The slim case is slim and lightweight, which is easy to take it for a long time. With this soft microfiber lining inside, it can protect your tablet from scratches and dust. The magnetic closure helps keep the case closed, so you can easily use it with one hand. Stable kickstand lets you make hands-free video calls, read, or watch movies, liberate your hands more efficient work. An elastic magnetic closure offers solid protection along with space for your essential ID and credit cards and phone. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. A small wrist strap is very convenient when you have no more hands to carry your phone. High-quality durable Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra PU leather, an updated soft TPU inner shell, offering comprehensive body and screen protection to your phone. With the function of anti-shock and anti-fingerprint. 4 strong angle anti-drop, shock absorption design. Number 1. Duo. Get the perfect tablet for your life. Duo is a beautifully engineered case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra that's ultra-portable and lightweight. The high-quality leather exterior is water and dirt resistant, plus it has the latest in tablet protection technology. With its built-in stand function, you can easily use it at home or on the go. Looking for a sleek and lightweight case to protect your new tablet? Duo is the perfect choice. Our slim case has a soft interior lining and an automatic folding cover, which will sleep your tablet when closed. The cover also smartly folds into a stand to provide comfortable viewing angles. Duo is a slim and light PU leather case for Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. It's made of high-quality PU leather and has a stand function, so you can watch videos easily on the go. This durable case has precise cutouts for all ports and buttons and ensures the Galaxy Tab stays fully protected from scratches or knocks but remains sleek at the same time. Hold your device at an ideal viewing angle or in a comfortable position to write. All the products that we are selling are stylishly designed and produced with care to ensure an exact fit for the daily functionality of your device. And it's all sold at a reasonable price. It's the best choice for you.